Come back to our English class. Today I am going to teach you the lesson Tanaji Malusere. Tanaji Malusere. So this lesson is present in the from the textbook in the page number 59. I have mentioned the page number 59. Okay. All should open the page number 59 and there is the lesson. The name of the lesson is the Tanaji Malusere. Okay. Come on, let us start the lesson, children. All should see in your textbook carefully and follow what I am explaining and what I am giving the explanation students. Okay. So this is a story from Maharashtra. So what is that? This story is taken from which state? This story is taken from the Maharashtra state. Okay. So what is given here? A very inspiring story of a brave warrior. It is the story of a very brave. Brave is nothing but the people, the person who has the braveness. We can tell the braveness. So a very inspiring story of a brave warrior. Brave warrior is nothing but the warrior who has the dareness to fight. Now, all will get the doubt. What is the meaning of the warrior, sir? Warrior is nothing but a soldier. Okay, the soldier who fights for our country, a soldier who fights for the state. Okay, a soldier who fights for the religion. Okay, he is called the warrior. So this story is very inspiring story, means giving the inspiration to the people about the Tanaji Malusere. So this story is taken from the state, Maharashtra state. Okay, now Tanaji Malusere was the name of the warrior. We are talking about one warrior. Now, what is the name of that warrior? The name of that warrior is the Tanaji Malusere. Okay, perhaps no episode in Maratha history has moved to the hearts of people as deeply as the death of Tanaji Malusere, the conqueror of Sinhagad, the lions fought. Means he has given the Sinhagad. I will write on the blackboard. Sinhagad. S-I-N H-A-G-A-R-G-A-D. Sinhagad. Sinhagad is nothing but the lions fought. What? The lions fought. That means I will give the explanation about this. Perhaps no episode in Maharashtra, means Maratha. Maratha is nothing but the state I told you. We can tell shortly Maratha also for Maharashtra. So in that history, in Maratha history, there is no episode, means there is no warrior, this type of warrior. So perhaps no episode in Maharashtra history has moved the hearts of people, means he has filled in all the hearts. Tanaji Malusere has filled in everybody's heart. So as the death of Tanaji Malusere, means when he was expired, this story in the history of Maratha has deeply has stored in the hearts of Maratha people. The conqueror of Sinhagad. Sinhagad is nothing but the lions fought. You know the fort now? Red Fort. Nowadays we have the Red Fort in the in which is place in Delhi. Okay, Red Fort. So here we are talking about the Sinhagad. It is the fort present in the Maratha. This story is known for. Okay, this story is known to every Maratha child through the ballad of Sinhagad. Okay, and this story is known for every child. What is happened with the warrior Tanaji? So this story is known to every child. The children who are present in Maratha state have known this story. They know the story about this Sinhagad, ballad of Sinhagad. I told children, no need of being confused. It is the name of the fort, the lions fort. Sinhagad is the name of the fort. Okay, fort. Fort means what, children? The fort is nothing but a historical monument constructed by our kings. Okay, olden kings. Okay. Now, the Sinhagad fort was one of the 23rd forts surrounded to the Mughals as per the Purandar Treaty. Means out of all the forts in India, see, the Sinhagad fort was the 20th fort surrounded to the Mughals as per the Purandar Treaty. Purandar Treaty is nothing but one agreement is there. So this fort was surrounded to the Mughals also, and it was the 23rd It is one of the 23rd fort located in our country. This act of surrender hurt the feeling of Marathas. This act of surrender, S-U-R-R-E-N-D-S, surrender, children. This act of surrender hurt the feelings of Marathas. There was fire in the hearts of Marathas. What is meaning? What the sentence is giving and what the paragraph is explaining here? Nothing but the paragraph is explaining about what children here? The paragraph is explaining about a agreement, okay, which was, what was the agreement? The agreement was to give the fort Sinhagad to the Mughals, okay. This act of surrender hurt the feelings of Maratha. When the fort is going to be surrendered over to the Mughals, means all will get hurt. Which state of people are going to be hurt? The Maratha people are going to be hurt. There was fire in the hearts of Maratha. There was fire. Fire means what? Fire is nothing but not keeping the fire into the hearts. Okay, the fire is nothing but the angriness. Okay, they are getting the angriness. There was a fire. There was a angry in the hearts of Marathas. That fire would never succeed till they take revenge. When that fire will goes up, when they will take the revenge, at that time, what happens? At that time, when they will take the revenge, at that time the fire will goes off from the hearts of the Marathas. Now come to the third paragraph, children. One morning, what happened? One morning says the Ballad of Sinhagad, Jijabai. One morning, who is that? One morning, says the Ballad of Sinhagad, Jijabai. Shivaji's mother was looking out of the window of Pratapgarh. When they are living in the Pratapgarh, one day what happened? Jijabai is looking over to the fort and she is speaking few words. What are those words? She saw in the distance the majestic monument. Okay, she saw in the distance, means from her window she saw one majestic monument. What is that majestic monument? Sinhagad. Okay, Sinhagad. Sinhagad is a monument which the Shivaji's mother, what is her name? Jijabai, is saying from the window. Okay, and she is speaking few words. She saw in the distance the majestic monument, Sinhagad, the lion fort. She wanted, okay, what she wanted? Let us see. She wanted Shivaji to win back the fort from the Mughals. Okay, she is ordering now. Who is ordering? Jijabai. The Shivaji's mother is ordering for Shivaji. What she is ordering? She is ordering that to gain back the fort from the Mughals. You just to fight or whatever you do, you just to bring back our fort from the Mughals. Now, but Shivaji thought that it was an impossible task. Now Shivaji is thinking that whatever the mother giving the order to his child, so the child is thinking, the Shivaji is thinking that it was an impossible task. It is a very hardful work for him to gain back the fort. Okay, now children, he sent for Tanaji. Okay, continue children. Impossible task. You know, he knew that there was one man who can do this, and the Shivaji is telling that there is only the one man who can do this, who can bring the fort to our state. Who is that person? And that was none other than Tanaji. Okay, that person, who is that person? None other than the Tanaji. He sent for Tanaji, means he sent for his ministers or some soldiers near to the Tanaji. But when Tanaji came, okay, when Tanaji came to the court of the Shivaji did not have the heart to tell his dear comrade why he had been summoned. Okay, the Shivaji, when the Tanaji came to the court of the Shivaji, he has no words to tell. Okay, he had no words to tell. His heart is not agreeing to tell any words to him. Okay, and he is telling his dear comrade, his dear fellow, why he had been summoned. Okay, why he had been summoned. Summoned means asked to come. That means Shivaji did not have the heart to tell his dear fellow, dear friend also we can tell children. Dear comrade, dear fellow, dear friend also we can tell. Why he had been summoned, why he asked to come. His mother, Jijabai, told him the nature of his mission. Shivaji did not explain about that mission, but who is explaining here? Shivaji's mother is explaining about the nature of his mission, what you should have to do in this mission. Now the children, next paragraph, the lion-hearted. Okay, who has the lion-hearted here? Tanaji has the lion-hearted. The lion-hearted Tanaji promised either to accomplish it or die in the process. He is owing, he is being promised to the Shivaji's mother. Okay, Shivaji, that what he is giving promise, either to die, either to success it or die in the war itself. I will die or succeed. Okay, but I will bring the Sinhagad, means the lions fought to our from the Mughal people. Okay. The lion-hearted Tanaji promised either to accomplish it or die in the process. Accomplish is nothing but success. Either I will success or it or die in the process. Process is nothing but when the war is going on. Okay, when the war is going on, we are going to tell it is a process. Okay, he sent out at night and marched towards the fortress with his men. Okay, he gave the promise for the Shivaji that I will bring the fort for our kingdom. Okay, he sent out night, means he chose one night to go near to the fortress. Okay, with his men. He reached the fortress secretly on a cold, clear and moonless night in February 1670. February 1670. That means it is the real story, ma. What I am explaining, what is there in the about the Tanaji Malasur. So it is the real story. What had happened in the on these dates. Okay, in February 1670. What he has done? Okay, what is it? He reached the fort secretly in a cold, clear and moonless night. Okay, moonless night. Why he selected that night? Why? Because of moonless night. In the moonless night, the people are unable to see at the night time. That's why they have. That's why he has selected that night to reach the fort. Next, children. He had taken with him Shivaji's favorite. Okay, he has taken with him Shivaji's favorite. What is the Shivaji's favorite here? He had taken with him Shivaji's favorite Ghodpad. Okay, G-H-O-R-D. Okay, G-H-O-R-P-A-D. Ghodpad. Ghodpad is nothing but Udumu children. Okay, he has given the textbook. Okay, what is that? Ghodpad. It is the Shivaji's favorite animal. Ghodpad. Ghodpad is nothing but in Telugu you will tell the Udumu children. It is one type of animal which lives in the holes of the snakes or ants. Okay. Next, he had taken with him Shivaji's favorite Ghodpad, Udumu or lizard. Okay, it belongs to the reptile family. Reptile family means ground lizard, wall lizard, Ghodpad, dinosaur. This all belongs to the reptile family. So we can tell Ghodpad or a lizard also. To assist in scaling fort wall. That means to crawling the wall. To crawl the wall, what he used? He used the animal. What is that animal? Udumu or Ghodpad. Okay. A rope was tied to the waist of the lizard. What he has done? He tied the rope to the waist. This is called the waist, children. Okay. This is called the waist. He tied the rope to the waist of the lizard. The lizard refused to follow the order and climb the fort as it noticed a danger in climbing the fort. Okay, so when it is when there is a rope is tied to the waist of the lizard, what he is just scared. Okay, what the animal is going to be scared and does not listen to the order of whom? Tanaji. Next, what is happened? Tanaji expressed his anger. When the Ghodpad is not listening, what he has done? He just expressed his anger. The lizard obeyed his order. When he is expressing the order, when he expresses his anger, the Ghodpad has started listening to the order of Tanaji. It was terrified and scared the hilltop which held the Maratha to go up to the cliff. With the help of this Ghodpad, they started climbing the walls of the fort easily. Some soldiers some soldiers reached the top. Okay, whatever the soldiers that Tanaji has taken, no, some soldiers have reached the top. The guards in the fort detected their arrival. The guards who were standing in the fort detected the arrival of the Tanaji's soldiers. The sentries, the soldiers, okay, the sentries are nothing but the soldiers were swiftly killed by the Marathas. Okay, the soldiers who were standing at the gate were swiftly killed by the Marathas. But the clash, okay, but the short fight of arms thoroughly roused the garrison. Means thus this short fight was going on means the short fight of arms thoroughly roused the garrison. Tanaji faced a serious problem. Tanaji is facing a serious problem. When the bodies started, okay, the fought soldier, the soldiers who were standing, who are guarding in the fort, they began to fight. Means it was becoming a very serious problem. Next, many soldiers of his troops were still at the bottom of the fort. Only half of them has came to the top, but remaining all of them are in the bottom of the fort. Even then he had to chase the enemy that greatly outnumbered his troops. Next, turn the page, children. He has already made up his mind. Why he already made up his mind? He has came to sacrifice something. He has came to fight with the Mughals. Okay, he has to follow all the rules. Okay, already made up his mind, and he ordered his troops to launch the attack. Troops are nothing but the soldiers who carried the weapons. He gave order to launch the attack. The fight proceeded. Okay, the fight is going on now. The fight between the Mughals and the Marathas were going on. Why these Mughals and Marathas were fighting? Why? Because to gain the Marathas want to gain the fort from the Mughals. Tanaji lost many men. What happened? Okay, in the processing of war, many men of Tanaji left their life, but his men caused heavy loss on the Mughal forces. Okay, but his men caused heavy losses on the Mughal forces. Not only the men of the Tanaji has expired. The soldiers also caused that many damage for the Mughal emperor. Okay, Mughal forces. Okay, children, this is the first part. Only half lesson I have explained. Remaining half part I will explain in the second part of this lesson. With this, I am ending my class. Next class we will continue our lesson, children.